Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about second usability heuristic based upon which we are going to check whether a particular product or a website is having that heuristic or it has been implemented as per that heuristic or not. So as you know that heuristic are set of rules. So we have 10 set of rules based upon which we check whether a particular product or a website or anything, the system that we are going to develop, it is as per the rules or not. Because these rules are very important, and these rules are the basic for any particular product to be implemented or any website to be implemented. So we have already discussed the first usability heuristic, and in this video we are going to discuss about the second usability heuristic that must be there whenever we are going for any user experience design. So the name of this usability heuristic is match between the system and the real world. It's very important. It's important for anything that you are going to design from scratch, or whether you are going to check any existing website or a product. So as the title says, match between a real world and system. So the system is what we are going to develop, and real world is what the user knows, what the user is doing, or what the user is already using. So we'll be discussing in detail what it all contains in this match between system and the real world. So let's start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So when we say match between system and the real world, there are two things. First thing is, whenever you are going to create a new system based upon a very good user experience, the thing is it should speak the user's language, because the user, they have already been either using the system or they have something in their mind for that particular system. So we should understand what is the language of the user. So what all things that we put in the system, whether it is navigation, whether it is title, whether it is successful message, so those all messages should be written in keeping in mind what is the language of the user, how much the user is comfortable using your messages. So we have different things. We have contact us, we can write meet. So all these things we need to check as per the user convenience. So this will be the first part. So whenever we are going to create any system, it should be as per the language that the user is being using in real world. So that's why it's called match between system and real world, because real world is what the user are habitual, what they have been seen, and the system that you are creating, if there will be many difference or they are not able to understand what you are saying, what you are trying to convey, then that will be a problem. Second thing is, first is language, and second thing is the product that you are going to create, that must match what they have seen. If we talk about an example, like suppose you want to create any website that shows different articles, or it's an education website, and you want to give them a book so that they can check everything in one PDF. So when we talk about a book, user have already been using the book. They know how the book looks, how to use the books. There will be an index, and they flip the pages in order to navigate to different pages. So when we are going to design a book in digital on in website, so we need to make sure that we should consider all these things. So once a user comes to your website or a product, once he is going to use your product, he knows that this is the book. So in order to think that how to use this book, we should give them the same experience, same feel, so that he knows, okay, when I click on the next page will open. So it will have the same feeling of opening the new page, then browsing to other page. So these two things, so this is just one or two example, but it can be implemented. This should be checked whenever we are going to create any new thing. So the match between your system that you are going to create and the real world, because people are coming from the real world and you are creating the system for those people. Many of the things they have the idea like how it should work. So we should have an input that what they are asking for this from this particular system, and whatever language and whatever look and feel and whatever way the product is being used, we should make sure that it is as per the real world. So friends, this is the second usability heuristic. So whenever we are going to create any product, any website, 10 set of usability heuristics are there, and these are common heuristic. These are the basic heuristic based upon which you are going to create any new product. These should be first considered, whether it is any product, technical, digital product. The thing is it should speak the user language, and second thing is whenever you are creating the product, it should be as per the real world product or the way the people have been using that product. So this was all about usability heuristic 2. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.